Basically, NIA sought 20 days police custody, and after a lot of deliberation, the court said that they've given 18 days police custody, and uske baad he'll be brought back. And if NIA wants more time, then they'll move an
Any
application.
special instruction given to NIA regarding a medical test and food will special food?
There was nothing about food, but for medical, they've been told that a comprehensive medical test would be done when he is taken into custody and before he is brought back to court at the end of the remand. And in the meantime, also, all his medical requirements will be taken
And
care
has he himself made any statement before the judge during the proceeding?
of. He has requested that anybody representing him in court, the lawyers, especially since we are from DLSA, we are doing our duty, so that public outrage should not be there against the lawyers, because at the end of the day we are just there to protect the civil rights of anybody who's coming into courts.
Thank you, sir.